Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be discussing what is Capcut and its features. Capcut is an online video editor that allows you to create professional-looking videos with ease. It offers a variety of tools and features to help you bring your creative vision to life. Starting off with the tools, Capcut has a text-to-speech feature that can convert written text into spoken audio. It also offers a wide range of effects and filters, as well as trendy music and sound effects. The platform also has an auto subtitles feature, which can transcribe videos and generate text overlays automatically. When it comes to creating, Capcut has a variety of video editors to choose from, including TikTok Ads Maker, YouTube Ads Maker, TikTok Video Editor, YouTube Video Editor, Instagram Video Editor, Promo Video Maker, Slideshow Video Maker, and Instagram Ads Maker. Capcut also offers tutorials on how to add subtitles, create makeup videos, cooking videos, exercise videos, short videos, YouTube videos, challenge videos, and testimonial videos. These tutorials are designed to help you get the most out of the platform and create high-quality videos. Capcut is available for download on Mac OS, Windows OS, iOS and Android devices, and also online editor on web browser too. So there you have it, a brief overview of what is Capcut and its features. Whether you're looking to create TikTok ads, YouTube videos, or Instagram posts, Capcut has the tools and features to help you bring your creative vision to life. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.